Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood pizza. First, let's start with the foundation, the dough. You'll want to prepare a fresh pizza dough, letting it rise for at least 1 hour to achieve that perfect airy texture. While your dough is rising, gather your chosen seafood, like succulent shrimp, tender scallops, and delicate calamari. Preheat your oven to a scorching 475 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a perfectly crispy crust. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the flavor base. Instead of a traditional red sauce, spread a light layer of garlic-infused olive oil or a creamy white sauce across the dough. Next, artfully arrange your prepared seafood evenly over the sauce, being careful not to overcrowd the pizza. Finish with complementary toppings such as halved cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes, and fresh herbs like parsley or basil for a burst of flavor. With your pizza assembled, it's time for the oven. Carefully transfer your seafood masterpiece to the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on it until the crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the seafood is perfectly cooked through and opaque. Once out of the oven, let it rest for a minute. Then, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh lemon zest and a final drizzle of high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. Your delicious seafood pizza is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully slice it into 8 equal pieces, ensuring everyone gets a generous portion of that amazing flavor. This pizza pairs wonderfully with a crisp white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc, or a light, refreshing green salad to balance the richness. For those who love to read while they relax, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.